Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're at the Best Buy. Tried to get this 128GB micro SD card. It's I saw it online on sale for $14.99. So it's even cheaper than my 64GB. It's the same Ultra. So if I could get it, I'm gonna go and then back to Target and return it. So let's go and see what they got. Money. So yeah, I gotta go search for the micro SD card. I'm not sure where it's at. So check out this area, gaming. That's a gaming keyboard, mouse, joystick, paddles, and everything. Wow, 200. Headsets and everything. What? $44.99 4-piece gaming headset. Huh. That's not bad. Oh, okay, it's right here. Got some memory sticks. I don't see no SanDisk. Wow, they got some of this Apple Pro for $1,049.99. Original price is $1,499.99. There's another one right here, same thing. So yeah, I'm trying to look for the micro SD card. Ooh, DJI OSMO Pocket, $399. GoPro Hero 8. Wow, it's on sale. $150 off? So I gotta get this one. This is the bundle. Sure was a bundle. It probably come with the head strap and everything, and then this is just a regular GoPro. Alright, so on the camera section, let's go and then should be around here. Alright, oh okay, so here we are. There's so many of them right here. I'm not sure if they had the 128GB for $14.99. It's Ultra. Oh, right here. I'm gonna get 2 of them then. Damn, that's a good price. Yeah, they have 2 of them for $14.99. Original price is $39.99. It's a good deal. Anyway, I found it, so let's go and check it out. Yeah, so I don't understand. 128GB for $14.99. Original price is $39.99, and then the 64GB, it's $17.99. That's why I don't get. So, and then they have 512GB for $139.99. Yep. It went back to $179. It was $129.99 on sale. And anyway, I think that's a smaller speaker than the one that I have at home from Costco. I don't know. And then they got a mini one right here for $79.99. This is a Sports Go Ion for $79.99. They even got this old school boombox. $69.99. Let's go ahead and check out then. Look at those, nice. Alright guys, so I'm very happy with today's purchase. I got the double the space and even cheaper than the 64GB. That's $3 cheaper. Anyway, walking home right now. Peace.